Hey, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer. So the question I got this morning on Quora was, do people actually find job opportunities through LinkedIn? So about ready to start typing the answer. I said, nope, going to do a video. So let's talk about this question and let me answer it for this person. Yes, LinkedIn has job listing features like Monster and Career Builder and Simply Hired and Ladders and Career Builders and all those other sites out there. Fact, there are lots of, I think it's 200 million jobs listed on LinkedIn at any one time. It's a huge number of job listings out there. And the good thing about those job listings is that often the analytics in there show you how you compare to other candidates, and depending upon who posted it, you may discover the poster and or your relevance to the job or to the company who is in fact looking for candidates. However, that's not the primary use of LinkedIn. There are far better uses of LinkedIn than just a job listing site. And one of the key reasons for that is because only somewhere between 20 and 30% of all the jobs listed, or all the jobs that are open, are not listed. Flip it around. Somewhere between 70 and 80% of all the jobs that are open are not listed on any job board. So if they're not listed on a job board, let's talk about how we can use LinkedIn differently and better. Number one, your LinkedIn profile. Now, some people call it a resume, and yes, it should resemble a resume, but it's far more than a resume. It's a public brochure. And if you are clear on the type of job that you want, if you are clear on your career journey, then your LinkedIn profile can be written, presented to show who you are, very focused, specific to the people who are looking for someone like you, or looking for the person who does the things they need to do, and your LinkedIn profile can show up in that search. So or if they get introduced to you, they look at your LinkedIn profile and they are not confused. So when you build a LinkedIn profile, it becomes a brochure, far greater than a resume, easily discoverable by over 650 million people and those that you get introduced to. Wouldn't you like to have your resume potentially seen by 650 million people? Just a thought. Number two, your LinkedIn network is the portal to new connections to the people relevant to your job search. This is the core essence of networking. It's to build a network relevant and all around the areas of business, the industries, the roles that you're interested in. And as you grow this network, it becomes easier and easier to find and to get introduced to the right people along your journey. So it's far more than just having a brochure, some call it a resume. But step two is having a rich network of people who like you, trust you, respect you, want to help you because they know that you like, trust, respect, and want to help them, networking for mutual benefit. And along the way of this networking, you're going to find someone who knows someone that you need to speak to. And then step three, the engagement. This is networking 101. You got to look good, professional brochure. You got to be in the right spaces, the right LinkedIn network. And then you have to show up and engage, get into conversations, say hello, speak to your network through LinkedIn in ways that showcase your abilities, your philosophies, your ideas, experiences, etc., relevant to your career goal. So when you show up in conversations relevant to what it is that you want to do, the people who see those conversations, see your engagement, will start to consider who are you, and maybe they'll want to know more about you. Maybe your brand will grow. Your professional brand will go because of your engagement, because of the conversations you get into, and the content you may share. LinkedIn engagement is the essence of networking. Walk up to someone you've never met before, say hello. Join their conversation relevantly. LinkedIn is an awesome career tool. Build your professional brochure. Build your professional and relevant network. Show up, get into conversations, reach out to people, and start conversations. That is how you can use LinkedIn to find, uncover, and get into conversations about job opportunities. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer and career coach. I hope this is helpful.